In this video, we'll dive into how to create custom incentives for partners on PartnerStack, one of the best partner management platforms out there. If you're looking to scale your affiliate or partner programs and want to understand how to incentivize your partners in a way that drives real value for both sides, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal how you can try out PartnerStack for free with exclusive bonuses. Now let's get into it. PartnerStack gives you the flexibility to set up custom incentives for your partners to encourage more engagement and performance. Whether you're managing a traditional affiliate program, a referral program, or a reseller network, incentives can be a game changer. So let's walk through how to set this up. Once you're in the PartnerStack dashboard, you'll want to head over to the Incentives section. Here, you can create various types of rewards that will motivate your partners to go the extra mile. The great part about PartnerStack is how customizable it is. You're not just stuck with the basic commission model. You can set up tiered rewards, fixed bonuses, or even performance-based incentives. To get started, click on Create Incentive and choose the type of incentive you want to offer. For instance, if you want to reward partners for hitting a certain sales target, you can create a performance-based incentive that pays them more as they bring in more revenue. This is great for partners who are pushing your product in a big way and you want to acknowledge their contribution with a larger payout. You can also create custom incentives based on specific actions you want your partners to take. For example, if you want to incentivize your partners to generate more leads or get more signups, you can create a reward that's tied to specific actions rather than just overall sales. This could be a fixed payout for each new lead or even an ongoing commission for the lifetime value of a customer they refer. Another cool feature is the ability to offer different incentive structures for different partner tiers. Let's say you have top performing partners who have brought in significant revenue. You can set them up with a higher commission percentage or offer exclusive bonuses to recognize their achievements. Meanwhile, newer partners might start with a standard incentive structure that you can adjust as they grow. Don't forget, you can also choose how you want the incentives to be paid out, whether it's cash, gift cards, or store credit. PartnerStack gives you the flexibility to reward your partners in a way that feels right for your business. After setting everything up, make sure to communicate these custom incentives clearly with your partners. You can easily do this through the PartnerStack platform by sending updates or notifications whenever you create new incentives. Transparency is key to keeping your partners motivated and focused on achieving their goals. To make sure you get the most out of these incentives, keep an eye on performance. PartnerStack offers powerful analytics that show you how your incentives are performing. If you see that certain types of incentives are bringing in more partners or increasing sales, you can double down on them. Conversely, if something's not working, you can tweak the offer without losing too much time or energy. One final tip: as you scale, it's important to keep testing and iterating on your incentive programs. What works for one partner may not work for another, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your approach based on the data. With PartnerStack, you've got the tools to fine-tune your programs and ensure your partners are consistently motivated. Now, here's the best part. You can try PartnerStack for free, and if you sign up through the exclusive link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial with some awesome bonuses. So don't wait. Click the link below and start creating your custom incentives today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the first link below to grab your free trial.